Weekly horoscope week commencing 2nd August till 8th of August for all of you. And this particular weekly horoscope this particular preview part is based on your moon sign as well as your rising sign. If you know your moon sign, you can take it according to that. If you know your rising sign, you can take it according to your rising sign. In the major premium content, we have 6 parts. This is one of the 6 parts. In premium content, we define about the tasks, precautions, chantings, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, as well as the transit of moon. But in preview, we only define conclusion part 1. Other parts are not included. But if you want other parts, you can visit my website and go for the premium content for all of you. Pisces conclusion part 1. In this coming week, you have the support, guidance, and you'll be able to resolve a lot of your problems and complications. Your hard work will pay you back in the form of financial rewards, income resources. If you are in a business partnership where the joint venture is existed, then expected gain will not be there. You have to watch yourself from over expenditure. Sometimes family can cause you a lot of uncertainties and tension. After 4th of August, your hard work and your determination will build up, and may I say that it will build up your drive, it will build up your motivation. Your refreshed vision will bring you a lot of series of successes for you. You got to look after your opinion, especially in the family relationship. Try not to be headstrong, try not to be highly opinionated all the time. Try not to be over aggressive, try not to be don't get carried away with your expression, and that will cause your happiness. Don't do that. Health wise, look after any issue linked with lower abdomen, with blood and urine, or any issue with digestive system. Sometime you'll be out of comfort zone. You can be all over the place. Be careful. Pisces, due to Jupiter position in 12th house, sometime you'll be out of comfort zone. Do watch your expenditure and debts. You have to leave your comfort zone and run around quite a lot in order to accomplish your objective. Mars, Venus in 6th house. Look after your relationship. Look after your actions and conduct. Moon, Rahu in 3rd house. Look after your communication. Watch your communication with the world around you. You must take care of your financial backing and financial commitment. And beware of any kind of a waste of time or waste of money, please. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com. Complete weekly horoscope report defines you the whole week's, the complete report of the whole week. That will define you, your moon's transit effect. Moon's transit effect for the whole week is for you in front of you, means that will define your vision for the week, your vision, your imagination, your decision, choices, your health, harmony, happiness. That explanation will be given to you. Complete weekly horoscope report defines you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of need if you're trapped in any ugly situation. What precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin. What sacred chanting you can do in 7 days in order to accomplish your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.